Hey guys, welcome back. And today we are doing this soft, sultry, brown, smoky eye that is beginner friendly. So, to know how to achieve this look, please keep watching. So, I have done my foundation off camera to save some time so we can actually focus more on eye makeup. So, for the eye makeup, I'm using this bronzer shade from Makeup Revolution bronzer and contour palette, and you can use any bronzer of your choice. It literally took me 5 minutes to do this whole eye makeup look, including the blending part. And now I'm taking this hot chocolate color from Swiss Beauty palette number 4, and I'm concentrating it on the outer part of my outer part of my eye, just like defining my eye shape and at what point I want my smoky eye to end. And now I'm taking this darkest shade and I'm packing my lower eyelid with this. You don't need to go like too high with this color because otherwise you will look like somebody punched you in the eye. So don't do that, and pack it until you're happy with the intensity. Now I'm taking this hot chocolate color again and I'm just blending the darkest shade into the bronzer one. If you remember, we have applied it first. You only need like 3 shades of brown to do this whole eye makeup look. And now I'm just intensifying a little bit more the darker shade, and then whatever is left on the brush I'm just blending that in, so everything will look like more seamless and infused. And now for the eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme iconic eyeliner, and you don't need to like put more like dramatic wing liner. You just need to line your lash line with it. This will level up your whole look without using any false lashes. And now I'm just taking the darker shade and I'm buffing that eyeliner into the darker shade. And now I'm taking the hot chocolate brown color and just packing my lower lash line with it. And now I'm going to take the darker shade and I'm just going to smoke out a little bit more on the sides of my eye, just if I have to give someone a side eye or it will be smoky. So yeah. And now I'm just taking a little bit of concealer and cleaning the excess eyeshadow and just to give my eyes a more lifted look. And now I'm taking the same bronzer and I'm just blending all the 2 colors that I have put on my lower lash line and blending them in. And now I'm taking the same bronzer and I'm bronzing my face. I didn't want any like harsh contouring. I just wanted my face to look more sun-kissed and not too harsh. And now I'm using this Love Earth creamy blush in the shade Be the Change. And please use less blush with smoky eye. I mean, please. I'm literally telling you. Trust me on that part. And now I'm taking the same highlighter and I'm highlighting like my cheekbone and bridge of my nose and also my brow bone. And please excuse my brows because I'm just growing them up and just to get them in a better shape. And now I'm just applying some mascara. This is such a trust the process look because of course with every step it's going to get better. And for the lips I'm using this brown lip liner. I think it's from LA Girl. And for the lips I'm also using this Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. This is such a perfect shade for Indian skin tone, and do give it a try, guys. And this is the look complete, guys. This is the final look. Let me comb my hair first, and I have also shared a transition video on this look on my Instagram channel, so don't forget to check that out. And thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.